for me. I'm trying to go to Hobby Lobby. Well, we made it. Yes, I'm home from Hobby Lobby. And this is what I got. These are some round beads. I never worked with them before, but I wanted to try them. They're in a metallic bead, like it's got 360 pieces. I got these beads because they're pony beads, and I use pony beads all the time. And I thought it was a pretty blue color. It's got 450 pieces in it, so I can get a good use out of that. Bead Design Co. is a great company. They have different types of beads, as you can see in this package. I fell in love with the designs on these beads, and it had the brown undertones that I was looking for, so I picked those up. Bead Co. was just having a sale, so I decided to pick up some more beads. And these are the silver round beads, but they're different shapes and different sizes, so you can do many different projects with it. But I just love the color and the brand, so that's why I picked those up. Hobby Lobby is always running some type of sale. You just have to get that 50% off, or go in there when they having some type of a 50% off or 40% off sale. I got these beads because they had the big holes in them, and they had multiple colors, and I wanted to try a new project with those. These are some heart-shaped beads. They're novelty beads. They're small, and they have 400 pieces in it, and they're heart-shaped, and they got a lot of different colors, so I really like those beads because I really love the heart shapes. I think these beads will make a good bracelet or either a necklace. I like the black and, the bright colors in the middle with the stars. I just think they'll make a nice little bracelet for somebody. Sometimes when I buy beads, I have something in mind, and sometimes I'm just in there shopping, trying to find a different bead that I haven't seen, or just something that's pretty. And these, what I'm holding now, they're another round bead. I've never really worked with round beads, but like I said before, I want to try something new, and I like the color on those. So I think they'll make a good project for me to do at a later date. I am always looking for crosses, and this was a pretty big pack for $2.99, which was half off, so it was like $1.50, I think. Yeah, so they were in the silver color, so I liked those, and I think I can get a good use out of those. This was a random buy for me. I don't usually get something like this, like crystals or something like that, but the color was so beautiful, I had to get them. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with them, but I know I want to make something with them, and they were like $4.99, and I'm not sure were those half off or not, but they were pretty, so I had to get them. These were just some wood chips that you can make like necklace or bracelets out of. I mean, not bracelet, but necklaces or earrings. And I thought about earrings because you could paint them, you could put designs on them, and they would, they could go with anything. This was one of the last things I picked up, was some of this string. It was multicolored, and I thought I could either make keychains or bracelets with them. It's like the nylon thread. I think it was a good price. It was like $6.99, and it's got like the rainbow colors, yellow, the orange, and the green, and some pink in there too. This was another one. It has like a light blue, a dark blue, and a green in it. So I thought that was a good color, and it's like 100 yards, or I think 100 yards. This was another one, and I think it's sort of like rainbow, but it's the red, the yellow, and the green, and like a darker blue. And I think it was 197 yards. I think before I said 100 yards, but it's 197 yards. This is both of them together. You can see the difference, but they're both very pretty. I think red is my favorite color in it. I wanted a smaller version of the string that I have, so I decided to get this one. It's multicolored as well, and it's about 300 yards, and it's got the same color as the red and purple one. I think it's a little bit different, but I really like the colors. Is somewhat like a rainbow effect as well. This pretty much concludes my craft haul video, but I will be doing a part 2, so keep an eye out for that one. If you like this content, subscribe to my channel. Tell me what beats you're going to get next.